only did I say that I was going to daily drive this thing every day, today we're taking it to a zoo. A drive-through zoo. Alright guys, so we're actually gonna go up and to the drive-through. We're gonna firstly see if we need our $30 back with, because we already paid for the feed to feed these guys. So yeah, we're gonna see what they say about the truck. Hopefully it's not too loud. I'm sure they've seen worse, but girls ready? Maybe. All right, guys ready? Okay. All right, so we gotta unload some things. They don't like full gas cans, I guess. And the car seat, they're worried about the animals chewing on the straps, which is understandable. It's not a big deal. So far they didn't tell me anything about the exhaust, so that things are looking up. So it looks like we already got it all signed up. We got a little tether dealie, and we're all sitting here ready to rip. Okay, so we got big old cups of feed. We got 2 little lettuce bowls. I'll probably take those home. Going in the outback, boys. Look at those chickens. Look at the chickens. Oh, it's like, I wonder if it's trying to get rid of all the like loose debris or something.
No, it's so the animals don't go through.
That makes them all fans.
Look, there's camels.
Woo, look at them. They look healthy. They got a lot of water in their back. Okay. Oh, jeez.
Oh my gosh.
Hello, mister.
Okay.
Hello, mister. Hello. Hello, mister. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Oh, are you hungry?
Do they like lettuce? You want some food, Tobin?
No, I have a
Oh,
bunch.
I got
have
some too.
I don't know what we're supposed to be feeding them, though.
I think they're one.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Please don't hit. Please. Oh, my goodness, mister. Look at you. He's like, I don't care how loud your truck is.
Yeah. Yep, we got a little baby one. You see its little face?
Here.
Hi.
Hello, mister. Hello, mister. He's like, you don't have any food, though. That's the biggest problem here. Oh, he's got a tag in his ear. Oh, okay. Okay, buddy. Okay.
Turn that off.
He's like, for real, turn it off. Turn it off, guy. Hello, mister. Oh, he's pushing him away now. Gosh.
Oh, the cow?
He's like, hey, man. Can I contact you about your extended warranty? Get up there.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. He's like, no. Look at his eyes. It's so cool. Does not like lettuce. Oh, that's what he's looking for.
Look how blue his eyes are. They're so cute. Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
He's like, what? Like trying to climb up in it. Driver education. They're literally test driving in a learning how to drive in a zoo.
If it's smaller than the shoebox, turn it over.
Yeah, if it's smaller than the shoebox, don't stop.
Okay.
What? These guys are hungry. He's trying to stay up with us. He's like, okay, I got my piece of lettuce.
Oh, that one just nibbled off my hand.
They're really trying to get us. They're trying so hard. This is what we came to see, boys. Some giraffes and some zebras. That's stuff you don't see every day. Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Oh my goodness. You gotta be patient with these guys. Oh. He's like, what is that? Your truck is so rusty.
Yeah. Here you
Your
go.
truck is so rusty.
There you go.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, that's the whole thing.
He's like,
Look at his tongue.
It's already gone.
Well, there's some in there. There's a couple more.
We need more lettuce. We need more lettuce.
That's mine. That's for Liz.
But he's already here.
Here, push it up there.
That's mine.
He's like, his tongue is so long. Oh, he's like wrapping it up in his tongue.
Oh, go
See what he does. Hey, mister, I'm gonna do a bunch of noise right now, okay?
Yeah, go back here so you don't get scared.
I'm gonna do a bunch of noise. Let's see what he does when I put the...
Oh no.
Sorry, buddy. Alright, okay. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy.
I all turned around to stare at you. Oh, they're getting it. Okay.
Whoa. He sounds like a four-stroke trying to start up. Is that good, buddy?
He's like, give me
He's like,
that thing's scary sounding.
they're in mud. Very scary. Alright guys, so that was pretty successful. We got to see some J-roofs. We got to see some zip-offs. And you know it's always a good time. And if we've had too much fun when kids start to cry. So, job well done. Success. Oh.